bit still, but I use that piece, shred them, I have a piece, the tips. That's sweet and tea for them. Going to put that in same way. Almost ready to.
Feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip. No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? Ay, 'cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast.
Good morning, good evening, good morning world. Yeah, welcome back to All of Our 777 channel. Yeah, let's see, we get rain all night last night, straight till this morning. So, I'm up on the road, that's all gone. Yeah, all night rain, straight until this morning. See? Was just rain and more rain. But this morning I go up on the road, so I'll go on the road like this. Let's see what's going on. I mean, this rainy season, yeah? This rainy season is longer this year. It's longer this year. We're just getting rain continuously. I'm late. I have 8 o'clock and it's 8:05 now. It's 8:05 and I should be here somewhere at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, so late peeps. So anyway peeps, stick and stay. I'm gonna wait on fire, hold the fire, love what I do what I love, and do it to the best of your ability. That is it. So I have bad weather but the sea is calm. So I have 2 cruise ships out there. 2 cruise ships. Yeah. You know what? I can see name Carnival. Oh, when a Carnival. This Carnival is a regular ship from the Cavan. Yeah, that front one there. Another one there. Oh, Beyond. Another Beyond too. Yeah, that's a regular celebrity Beyond. Yeah, that's another one too. Yeah. Normally June time here peeps, a lot of ships that normally come to Cayman. More ships would have don't come because I come down to winter. But I guess if the weather and everything completely different this year. And normally they're full of more ships today or Thursday. I don't know what's happening. Yeah. So this is the waterfront as usual. I see enough tourists out there. There's 2 ships out there. They just come off still. I guess they're just coming off. Yeah, them just coming off. So I see a boat out there, so I carry them. So there's a boat like, then go for the people on the ship. And come off and go through immigration. And come off. Yeah. And this is something to do with Halloween, peeps. This is something to do with Halloween. What the heck is this? What on earth is this, peeps? Yeah, make a picture of it. Me zoom in and take a picture of it too. Yeah. Yeah, it has something to do with Halloween. Scary ass thing. Looks scared on. Oh god. What do you what I do? Yeah. police there, Jamaican police, cool one. Yes, peeps. So it still looks can't if you two ship, but I guess people in this will come off and the rain and Joe, so they're gonna have to take the buses that are here. So them bus here, taxi and bus. You have taxi and you have bus different. Them they wait for carry tourists. Get them on tour. Show them the island. The island. I'll go on the island. Yes, Janelle, me say island, I'm correct myself. Island. I-S-L-A-N-D. Not I-S-L-A-N-T. Yes. So them ship them boat there, them boat there. Bus there and taxi carry tourists them. Yeah, and it's an all island rain. Yeah, been rain from yesterday straight till this morning. But not very hard, because it's very hard and they have flood. Just like in Jamaica they say they have some flood watch. Yeah. Carnival cruise and Celebrity Beyond. Those are the two ships. So early morning I normally have traffic coming from this side. So if I go around there, this side, I have to come back around like say after 9:30, so 10 o'clock when the traffic kind of cool down. Because traffic is normally crazy around here. So you know, peeps, stick and stay, not go nowhere. Yes, you look at the traffic. Traffic all the way, just barely moving. So Mr. Peeps, west is best. In West Bay we don't have this. Jeez. In West Bay we don't have this. If this is over a mile, that's traffic. That's traffic. Over 2 mile, traffic. That's traffic. Over 3 mile, that's traffic. That's crazy. Isn't it? So I can't manage that. If me know this traffic, I may stop and park. The traffic gone. I can't stay at waste of gas. I'm wasting my gas. Me a park and wait till the traffic gone, babes. Then traffic. I ain't seen shit like this in West Bay. You will not see this in West Bay. Someone will drive slow because somebody with bicycle in front of him. I'm afraid to pass a person. You can pass, you know, but I'm afraid to pass. But you know, people with bicycle, you normally drive with caution. You don't want to hit them. Look at the peeps. Traffic. Isn't this crazy? So Skaban is small and everybody have a car. Everybody drives. Man, everybody drives, peeps. This is Skaban. Anyhow, peeps, they can stay. So yes, peeps, this morning with the Grand Old House. Grand Old House. This is Grand Old House restaurant. Yes. Yes. And people might say, but the rain will fall upon the rain. The sky is clouded. But still have to work same way. So I'm gonna do the car, peeps. So I'm gonna do this car even though the rain is falling. Just sitting there. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. I see if I can get a little tour or Grand Old House stay. I'm going away. So yes, peeps, this is Grand Old House. Yeah. So nice, peeps. Yeah. In the Caribbean. It's a very nice restaurant. It's a sister restaurant to the Wharf. Wharf restaurant. Same management. Sweet peeps. Imagine out here so I have dinner. Another sunset here. In these settings. Yeah. I always love restaurants like this. Yeah. This is just awesome. Whoa. And here it's look quite deep too. But the water just blue and pretty. Look at the water piece. Water is like crystal clear. Crystal clear, you can see straight at the bottom of it. Yeah, this is the Wharf restaurant. See mark on the rooftop. Grand old house. See it at the top tips. I guess if you're passing low enough with a plane or a helicopter, you can actually see it right on top of it. Grand old house. Yes. So it's a restaurant located on South Zone Road. Yeah. So you have an indoor area and then you have outdoor area. So I guess around there is more like a private area. But this nice deep. This is nice. This is nice. Yeah. Looking out into the sea. But me always love restaurant like this, as Mr. Peeps. I always love restaurant like this. Look at it. Beautiful. Yeah. But this is in the morning. You know, me come here, come clean a car. I normally come here. Yeah. They're beautiful. And then right around there, so you have Summit Cove Public Beach. There's a public beach around there. But this nice. It's really nice space. And then later when you set up, I've never been to this restaurant really, because through the all the way around here, I never really come around here. But it's nice. You tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, peeps, about this restaurant. Oh, it must be nice. It's gotta be nice. Yeah. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go away. On fire, hold the fire. So yes, peeps, it's on hold the fire, chapter 7, back at it again. Yeah, so I reached home early again this evening. I see a turtle a crawl over. Turtle, I look something to eat. Turtle and out. More them down there, so. Yeah, even turtle and come out in the rain and fall. So yes, peeps, right about now, I am going to sort out one coconut. Broke on coconut and get it ready to blend. Cause today I'm gonna cook some fish, brown stew fish. Yeah, I got mush out 2 fish. So that's 1, 2, 3. Cut the fish in a tray. Cause it's big and I'm alone. And then I'm gonna turn some cornmeal and brown stew some fish. And the rain is falling. So I'm gonna break the coconut here. Yep, I'm gonna break this coconut. Yeah. So I broke the coconut bad, peeps. Broke it bad and now I juice away. Juice and taste nice, peeps. Smoke. Peeps, I use my money to buy a coconut Coconut not good. And I am far away from the shop where I buy it. I forgot that one. I'm not sure coconut. I didn't say fall them out so I can eat it. Sorry falls. I forgot that I don't eat it. So now I'm gonna have to get 2 or 3 coconut in the yard. Chop them out. Instead of just getting one big one for use. So anyway, stick and stay. See me find 2 big coconut. The coconut big enough peeps? 1 big coconut. Steve, you want a coconut? You try a coconut? I just bought a big one in town and you know good. I buy one big one in town and no good. And I can't go again that way at town.
You know coconut?
Eh? Yeah. Dry one.
How much you paying for?
Eh?
How many I can get the cover?
How much? How much more want? One good size one. If even small, if I small I can get one tray then.
You want a few of them?
Yeah.
That's a great man.
Alright, I'm going to season for fish. Let's see if I get a coconut for me. See, that's how I go. That will cost me again. Well, anyhow, so you can want a coconut still. So now I'm going to season the fish until Steve comes. So stick and stay, peeps. You see the peeps? Done. Season the fish. The fish is seasoned. Well, look pretty. Fly one. Mess it in there. Not yet. No mess up fly. So now I am going to sort them coconut here. I'm gonna get some coconut from Steve. Turn off the light here. I got some coconut from Steve. So them the peeps. Show them. 5 coconut Steve bring come. For the coconut I'm buying a good peeps. So now I'm gonna go out 5 coconut. 5 coconuts. So you go. Yeah. 5. Yeah. So I buy them peeps, buy one big one. They're not good. You might end up paying Steve for 5. Yeah. So you know peeps, stick and stay. Some more work. This been around some peeps to go Oxford coconut. Steve should have oxed them, don't. Comment below if Steve should have oxed them. So. And then lick a bit still, but if I use that bit, try them. You can't believe peeps, Steve wants to charge me $10 for them. Steve stick in my head. Then I give him $10 for all of them. So through me say all the fire trip is 7, I just give him $7 for 5 of them. Which is still get too much. Yeah, for this Steve, $7 for them 5 coconut here. Bought him one, $10. I'm gonna try and knock them on fast, please. know peeps, stick and stay. Done my link on the back. See peeps, they about some coconut. Just jump about the coconut them. And I'm seeing some more turtles. So, turtle in my backyard peeps. Hey turtle. Turtle. So they might look for eating a piece. Rain or fall, circle in hungry too. See one more across the fence or so. One over there so. Normally, when you're out here, then they run from you. Oh, see the other one there. Come over now. Try them, man. So one out there, so. I'm going near the team and see. Watch him now. Alright, I'll find this. Watch him. Turtles, sleeves. Only in the Caribbean is stuff like this. Turtle in your backyard. If part else nowhere there, I said this. Nowhere else. Try going near the team and see. More run. There's been a more run still. Closer, closer, closer. More run. Closer. Hey! You're hungry man, that's why you know I run so. I will not take on himself. I will take on himself. Anyway peeps, stick and stay. Yes peeps, just about to blend the coconut now. And yeah. So I have to use, I get 5 coconut from Steve. I have to blend like, I have to cut up like 4 of them to make one. See the peeps? 4 coconut. Then small but give thanks still. Yes, and Steve want $10 for you 5 of them. Yes, Steve a criminal now. So now peeps, I go blend the coconut them now. Yes, I'm going to blend them now. Just stick and stay. I'm not going to wait. 5. This is 4 coconut. Yes, peeps, this is 4. Make sure I have enough juice. Yeah. I gotta make sure that I have enough juice. Burn the caramel. Like I'm gonna have more than we need, more than I have enough for me need. Then yeah, peeps, stick and stay. Am I done? Link on the back. Yes, peeps, just done blending the coconut. So. Let's strain it off now. Blend last, I just finished blending the last of it. So, throw some in another pot here. We mix out the cornmeal. Separate. Yeah. And I think I got enough over here. So now I get the coconut one more blend. So I have enough juice. I think I have enough juice, yeah. I think I have enough juice. Now blend again. I know this could have blend again still. This could blend one more time. It's not blend out completely. Blend out completely. Blend out completely. Juice is still in it. Yeah. I think that's good enough now. So, okay, one more time. So, one more time. One more time here. I think that is enough juice now. Yeah. That's a lot of juice. Can use some coconut fish too, brown stew fish. So you can cook in coconut milk, see how too. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough babes. All the juice now this. That's enough juice as well. Put a little bit more in it. Yeah. And then I cover up that. This on the stove. Yes, babes. And before I finish, I do down. I get it for them this. Yeah, feed it for them. For them have to get some to peeps. So this is for the fall them. And the fall them love it. Coconut trash. From back in Jamaica we normally feed the fall them the trash we done great at the coconut. See? Fall them have a feast now. They are gonna have a feast. The peeps. That's feeding for fall them. When them done, them belly must full. And show. Yeah, to feed the fall them too. And see turtle in the peeps. Turtle them come across so like them want some. So one turtle there. So anyway peeps, let me just clean up back here so and start the cooking. Stick and stay. No go. Peeps. No. If I get the bar I roll now. So put on the pot them now. Let's see. Yeah. Put the fire, make it burn down rum. Right, up the fire, make me burn down rum.
I say, you notice it's even now, them two guys doing this kitchen.
Yeah.
And they use them things so, you understand what I'm saying? Look, you see that, if I do my thing, I keep cleaning and
Yeah,
but all on the ground and all the way that.
Yeah. Not drive me crazy, I can't manage
No,
that.
you know, but sometimes I will say something, but I say that's what you do it, you know?
Yeah, peace.
Keep the peace.
Yes, peeps.
So I remember.
So, put on the frying pot same time with some coconut oil. Yep, with some coconut oil to fry the fish. And now I have the coconut milk here, so for going to boil up. So I'm going to season already. Put a little bit of salt in it, which is coconut milk, no need no whole of salt. Just a bit of salt because coconut carry one flavor. Yeah. So we also have some escallion and some thyme. Just that I'm going to throw in it. Yeah. Have some escallion and thyme. And then peeps, some of them I don't know. What else am I gonna do now? Yes. I like that. Check. And that. Check. Oh, the caramel now. So this is to this coconut milk is to boil. It's to mix up the caramel. So I'm gonna throw it somewhat right first. I'm gonna need so much. If anything, mix up the caramel, throw more in it. And peeps, I like to clean as I go along, you know. Get rid of the fly them. When I look back a fish, get a whole of fly. Best thing to use to get rid of the fly down there right in the kitchen, you get a bottle of vinegar. Use vinegar for wipe down your counter and everything. So if fly don't like vinegar, you continue with the vinegar. So anyway, pot over here so I'll go and boil up. Yes, and the rain will come down again. Yeah, we're getting rain and more rain, peeps. Yeah. We're getting more rain. It's just raining cats and dogs in Grand Cayman. Yeah. See the sky look. Always overcast from the other day. We been getting a lot of rain from the other day, peeps. Yeah, rainfall all night last night. And it's falling now. Yeah. So you know peeps, you know the pot for burn up because you know coconut oil and coconut oil easy to burn. So yeah, smell it already. So let me get the fish ready to go in night. Oh, no, I don't show you coconut milk. I'll show you coconut milk. And as I say, every time I use the fork here, my brother remember. It's Juliet. Where's the fork? Every time I use this fork, I always remember her. She carried a fork here all the way from Florida to me. So big up yourself, Juliet Davis. Yeah. Don't know how to fry some fish, so I can fry fish now, people. So I'm not getting a burn. You can fry fish, I'm in a burn up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No one can fry fish, I'm in a burn. I'm gonna have tall fork. So I'm not getting a burn. I'm seeing kind of put on a vegetable and vegetable go on. The vegetable go on, cook down tomato. Then sit and stay. No way. No way. Yeah. Everything ready. And peeps, today it's like after 2 now going to 3. I'm gonna eat nothing one time from morning. Yeah. I'm gonna eat from morning, so I'm gonna try to hurry up on my so stick and stay. I'm gonna yeah, some apple. Hold it for bright light. So my light get brighter. My light is so bright. Let's keep the turn system. No. Then the first turn. Before then, burn. See that we can long fast. Long fast. So now we get burn up. Burn out. You know what I mean? Now I'm going to mix out some cornmeal because of the fish. What a boil up. So now I'm going to boil, mix up some cornmeal. Now I'm going to mix up the cornmeal. Let's see, I see other video come out because I use the GoPro because my iPhone 13 I normally use, I'll give you a trouble. So normally, whenever time I'm cooking or so I normally use the iPhone 13 and I have use it just for video. I get trouble. Yeah, screen my behavior away, so I use the GoPro, but I have bright light. This light can get brighter too. Let me see. Light can get brighter. Look bright enough. No. So the cornmeal and this I mix out it. Put me short enough. So cornmeal and mix it out. I'm going to go and walk on with it. Switch already. Coconut milk. Big up data. daughter cook a cook her son call me one day and I tell her say, man, we got a town I want fish fry. And daughter a cook. Man, big up yourself daughter. And mommy, yeah. So, big up yourself my mother. Cook the best son call me. The tips, yeah. So it's a different thing, no rice, no flour, sun cornmeal today. Long time I cook sun cornmeal, shouldn't I brown?
That's what my father. My father is from Kanye.
Tell Michelle say I want some man. Tell my big chef. Look at this. Michelle, a big chef and Michelle, if you want some cornmeal. Yeah. At the same time, please. Now, let me fix them burn up. Fix them on turn. Or else, they're gonna burn. So, turn pan go all over the place. You know that if I do like you want to mash up some, mash up some, you know what it is? That's my turn, finally. Over some coconut milk in this.
How will I go? Yeah. One. Is that right?
Cornmeal now, you have to stir it, or else you're gonna lump it.
My father is my sister mother is asking, oh my father, alright, now can get to turn me this morning. Look, father looks good coming.
Yeah.
You know when I feel yeah, one coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Coffee. Nice.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Next one, I love my nice cake. Right now, this cake is something like a porridge. I can't want more cornmeal. Just make sure it's not lump up to Just eat and normal. I don't know, so now this will go on boil at the same time. The season I go and cook down with the fish, you know. And that's some other coconut milk at the same time. That's it. That's a stir with your time. And cornmeal or something, you know, clear away. When it's hot. Yeah, make it lump up, come me. Yeah. Alright, no? This look alright. Alright, no? So, yeah. At first, we look like a porridge up here, alright, man. Bring that on porridge for me. Make us not forget some milk. Eh?
Anybody can do
Yeah. Yeah, man. And the coffee belly. You know something where?
No people can come.
No. Cook on a slow fire. Yes, please. Turn go all the way down now. Go and spin it around. Yeah. Then look at the kitchen. Just a little like you want to burn some. Well, I don't tell me to frighten the man. I said, no, man, you could. Well, I've never put in a porridge. I'm going away. Damn it, you can't go by the road now.
Me already. Yeah, I got my rain rolling.
Yes, peeps, so see it now. Caramel almost ready. Just a little bit more. You steam out a bit because you know caramel have to well cook or else it will puff your belly. If you know say puff your belly, yeah. And see fish over there so. Put them in a coconut milk, same way. That's almost ready too. As long as the phone, now it's alright, Steve. Boy. You say man call it a $30 now.
When the wind.
You saying $300,000 or $30K? $30,000, Steve? $30,000 you win? Alright, yes. $1. Anyway, peeps. Next time you see me, call me ready and eat up family. So, give 5 more minutes. You can stay. Go now. Like a break. Peeps. It's sharing time now. And Steve?
What do you got ready for when you finish, go back and start cook?
Why should I chase her so?
Who?
I saw a lady
No,
chasing her.
she said they had buy for more. She want me to give her, I tell her, but she said I bought $3, right? But she want me to give her, I can't give her half of my money though. What I mean, but when she look up, I went a couple days before,
Yeah.
she went $120, and she wouldn't give me $10. I said give me $10, $5. No, she want $30 out of my $90. I was like, yeah, okay.
So like you tell her, see, 90 you get?
Yeah.
You get 90, you see really easy, you know?
No, but look, you can't make everybody business.
You got best here, man.
Look at,
Eh?
see what that, look at what that Jamaican woman up there sleep. That Jamaican woman over there, right?
Yeah.
Up there, yesterday.
Yeah.
I got 8 coconuts, 8 jelly coconuts. Took them and take them and hop them and put them in a container right up to her plate.
Yeah.
You know what that bubble crab woman give me? $10 fucking dollars. You understand me? That's for 8. That's 8 coconuts. You understand me? I would expect I say $2 a piece. It wasn't for coconut. She won't give me $10 for 8 coconuts and hop them and take the water and jelly out there. My God, I might as well. Yeah, you want something? Yeah.
Steve no easy, peeps. Steve I best. Steve tell me say he win $30 and a $90 Steve make. Steve said about nothing. You never tell people your business. Steve are the best, peeps. Steve lying to me, I'm not even buy them sitting there.
I said, when the whole street, look at the whole street talk about I can marry, you know, and stuff like street smoking, things like that.
It's a sugar Mario.
Yeah, that's and then they come to the mother time and she said, me when I got $10.
Yeah.
I said, come on, when you store, because you don't buy jellies, no way for those $1 pieces. Not be fair, man, you understand, right?
Yeah.
But I'm trying. But I'm not stupid.
Yeah.
You see when I start to bad, remind me? And that's the way from home. That's all I do.
She want general Steve. Stick and Steve, please. Wash off that spoon and plate. Drop off that food in that spoon.
Steve!
Yeah, Steve, I tell you, say win turtle, huh? And 9 till Steve, you know.
9 till.
See if you carry people know your business. See, you're really something, huh?
If you make all these people look at you know.
So, it know, I say, lady, apparently she know how much in buy for.
Oh.
So, she want half. People say, you can't give much. I say, really 9 to Steve, because I remember saying to me, say, 30, you know. Yeah, you can't make people know your business. The peeps. It's my turn, Carmelan. Ish. Turn, Carmelan. Ish. Yes, peeps. So I get a sit down, peeps. So, this is it, peeps. And even though my food hot, fly down and help me eat it. But it's not going to help me.
Bing. What's the fuck?
You know? The cornmeal, well cooked. Yeah. With coconut milk, that is well cooked peeps. You see there? Fish, brown stew fish. That is no jokes. So I got all the food for later. Only for food for later. That's the great Steve. This is the great Steve. And it tastes good, peeps. No capping. Turn cornmeal. Yeah. So tell me in the comment section. For the long feed cornmeal, turn cornmeal. With coconut milk. Some people use peas too. But I never have a time for using peas. Because you know, peas have a pressure and all that. Yeah. Anyway, well at peeps. So, if you watch the video until here, I thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. Yes, peeps. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And keep supporting the thing. So you know it's a Thursday. Yeah. So join me later, you know, say Thursday. Live. I know live. This live is like no other live. So every Thursday and Sunday for now, bring a live. About, say roughly about 7 o'clock Eastern. Yeah, time. So until next video, peeps. Big up on yourself. One fire, all the fire. Love what to do. Do what you love. And do it to the best ability. Peace out.
I might go too fast.